Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Marshall back with Bids and Offers. In this video, I want to show you exactly what I saw on the charts and on the tape to take this trade right here short at 67.06 on the S&P 500 E-mini futures, finding signs of selling to target a low of day at the 66.98, where I got out for a 4R realized profit of about 8 points on about 2 points of risk. I'm going to show you exactly what I saw on this chart, exactly what I saw on the order flow and on the tape in order to confirm my decision, and I'm going to show you how to look behind this price action to take better trades and position yourself with the stronger participant in the market in order to see profit more often. I'm going to show you why you need to stop overanalyzing every single little piece of price action and stop paying so much attention to patterns and start paying more attention to the auction process of the market, which is the buying and the selling and the order flow and the tape. I'm going to show you what I saw in this trade. I'm going to show you why I decided to close the trade at the low a day instead of holding it. And I'm going to show you all of the confluences that I had together to feel confident about getting into this trade here, getting a really tight stop loss, and having a profit target that was 4 times my stop loss in size. Without further ado, let's get right into it. This is the footprint chart from this morning. This is the 9:30 open right here. We pop up. We see this massive green bar. I'll make this a little bigger. Big positive delta, 700, 800 positive delta at the 710s. We pop up above that and then fail. We know that there's selling present on the tape. You see this big block of negative delta, big block of negative delta. We're falling all the way down into this early morning demand consolidation area around the 98s, 97s. We defend there. A big order hits the tape right here at the 99 3/4. A very large 800 offer showed up here. I'll show you what that looks like on the book map. So after we fell out from the morning, we consolidate, we pop up a little bit on some buying. Now I'm trying to see what happens in this area of supply from earlier this morning, right off the open. We see this big offer that appears here for about 800, 900 contracts. A very big buyer eats right through that offer, and now we're above it. We're popping up, there's buyers on the tape. I want you to look at what happens as soon as we get back up into that morning range high. So look at the right side of my book map here. I'm going to scroll this over. There's a lot of buying, a lot of buying. We get above that high, and then bam, look. The buyers kind of just drop off the face of the earth, and we start to make new lows here. We are continuously making progress downwards back towards this very large trade outlier from earlier. So as we get into this consolidation here, I'm looking to see if I can short a pop back up into this area where the sellers then became present again after this drop this morning. Right here on the footprint chart, you see these very large areas, very significant deltas here after this high a day failure right off the open. We pop up into that area, and then as soon as we get above this positive delta here, look at my crosshair on the chart. All we could get was a point above this level right here, and then we reclaim back beneath. As we were starting to move down here, what I was looking for was a pop to short into, to find aggressive sellers in the market where I know that I can put myself on the right side of the auction where the sellers are more powerful than the buyers, and I'm going to join them to play a short, targeting a move towards this low a day at the 96s, 97s. At about 10:09, I hit the market short. I hit the bid at these 06s right here on this sign of selling. So one pop-up failure, one pop-up failure. Yeah, we were making higher highs, but look at how little buying there was right up at this high. In the same area, there was significant buying before, which then flipped to red. So my thesis on this was, look, we have offers in the same place where we just failed. We're already failing in the same place where the selling came in significantly off the open. And I'm finding really good risk to reward here where I can get short the 06s. I can put my stops just up above these offers up in here and be protected. And I can join these sellers targeting a move back down towards this large area of volume at the 02s and then towards this low a day. Sellers on the tape, you see this tiny little wick in here, market drops aggressively. We pop back up into that area, can't even break the high a day. Now we know that a lower high has been put in, and if I draw this volume profile back to my entry right here, this is what the profile looks like. Pretty even distribution. We have most of the volume being traded right in the center, and the volume significantly drops off above these 10.5s. So we know that nobody wants to transact at the high a day. And I know that the sellers are here because they're dropping the market. I wait for that pop back up into this area, and then I short it, put my stop right up in here, and I target this low of day. As buyers were struggling to get back above this VPOC, I was extremely close to getting break even right here. I was short literally right here at 06.25, and I was a tick away from getting stopped break even on this, but I didn't get hit, and then it eventually started moving back down on me. Right in this area, I was looking to see how quick this drop would come into this low of day. My game plan was, if this drop comes quick and we smack this low of day with velocity and we break through it and hold beneath it, I want to hold down to these 90s. These 90s in here were where we had this general consolidation demand from early this morning. This was also the value area low on the session profile. So this was an area of interest down here. We're smacking down, smacking down. We got these bids. Sellers are hitting the bid quite aggressively. On this pop up, back through 97, this buying that starts to come in above this previous low of day. Look at my my crosshair, right? Previous low of day, buying coming in right above it. I cut the trade there because it looked like that low was going to be faked out. And if any more buying came in, you know, we started to inch back up towards the 700s and my profit would be eaten up. So I got filled for 8 points of profit on this trade. Go check out my Instagram at Bids and Offers. There's a ton of videos on there, trade recaps from way back, recent. I upload stories on there every day. If you want to join the live trading room, the link to join that is in the description of this video. This trade that I took today, I actually caught with Chris in the live trading room, getting short right here at these 06s, and we took this down to low of day. If you want to join that, links in the description. The order flow trading guide that I'm releasing is going to be out very, very soon. I'm going to go through all of my order flow confirmations. It's going to be about risk management, technical analysis, my exact trade playbook with all of the things that I look for in a high quality trade every single day. To join the waitlist for that, you can click the link in the description of the video. That's basically all I've got for today, guys. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, please leave a comment down below. If you want me to make a video on anything specific, please leave that comment down below as well. I will see you guys in the next one. Don't hesitate to DM me, reach out. I'll answer every single question. Peace out.